Victor, and today we will be learning how to card. So today we'll be carding some cottons. This is just ginned cotton from the machines. And then after we learned like the basics, and once we've carded like a little mini band, we'll be blending it with some blue merino. So let's get started. So I have some Ashford hand cards, and these are the curved back mini carders. I'll link to these in the description below. And I labeled it left and right. So a little thing about that is that historically the paddles or carders would have leather handles, like leather covered handles. So over time the leather would adapt to your hands, so it was always thought to use one carder for a specific hand. So once you have your carders, what you're going to do is take some of your fiber. Like I said, I'm going to use some ginned cotton today. So to load your carder, you're just going to hold it like this and sort of just put it on the carder like so. Start here, then draft back. Start here and then draft back. So just to the top and back. And you can see here there's like clumps and vegetable matter, but by the time we're done carding, that will be gone. So also when you first get them, when you first get your carders, make sure that you designate a carder for a specific hand. And yeah, so once you have it like this, then you're just gonna to card, you're just gonna take the end and pull back. Take the end, pull back. Take the end and pull back. So basically what also you're supposed to do is take it like this and do that. So like this, and like a swinging motion. So once you start at the end and get these fluffy bits, you can go to the front and down, front and down, front and down. So here, let's get out of the way. And so once you have it like this, kind of, what you can need to transfer this to your carder, to your other carder. So to transfer it, you're just gonna gently put it on top and just push, like sort of slide down, and then that like transfers it from one carder to the other. And also make sure not to get the tines, the spiky parts, into the thing, because if you can see here, I kind of messed it up and they're kind of in the front now, so might not want to do that. So also, you just take your carder and lay it on your lap, and then you just do that. Also, you can just do it quickly and sort of just like do it like that. And then like this, you can also take it off easier. So yeah, so as you can see, it's more fluffier and organized like this. And then to transfer it again, just do it like this. And then, yeah, so you just keep on going until you feel that it's ready. So I'm just gonna go for a couple more minutes, and then we can start, and then we can take it off. Okay, so I think it's about ready now. Haven't gotten all of the vegetable banner out, but it's okay because we will blend it so it'll get carded some more. So just sort of, to finish it, just sort of put it back and do this kind of motion, or just do that so that it connects. And to take it off, you have to, so just take this and then sort of just gently do like a pushback or something. Now you have your own little mini bat. Okay, so we've learned the basics and we know how to card now. So now I'm going to show you how to blend your fiber. So this is the merino. I'm still spinning it. So I carded this so that because it was very thick top, which is combed, and I could not draft it at all. So I carded it, and this is what it looked like. So to blend it, you're just going to take your bat apart into little sections, and then you're just going to lay your fiber like this, sort of like put it on, and then you're just going to take your fiber you want to blend it with and just sort of put it on top. So I'm making a cotton merino blend. So here we have the merino on top and the cotton on the bottom. So it's just like carding normally, and you're just gonna card it normally and see. You can kind of start to see that it's kind of starting to blend, and it's kind of starting to become like a gradient kind of. So yeah, so you're just gonna keep on carding it until it's all smooth and it's as blended as you want. And if you want, you can also, as you go, if you feel like you need more of one color, you can always add to your project. It's yours. There's no, like I said in the past video, there's no spinning police or spinning government that has laws saying you have to do it like this or do it like that. No, it's free to do what you want. So that's it for this video. Also to take it off, it's the same as when we were making the cotton bats, mini bats. And pretty soon we'll probably have a stash organization thing, or go through, whatever you call it. And because I have some fiber on its way that I'll unbox soon. It is the Paradise Fibers subscription box, Paradise Fibers monthly subscription. Basically what it is, Paradise Fibers, which is a fiber company, sends you a box filled with different fibers in it, and there's always a theme each month, and they send you it, and yeah, this is my first box. I'm super excited because on Ravelry they have a spoiler group. So yeah, I'll be seeing you tomorrow with the bat. We'll be learning how to spin with a distaff, which is basically a stick with these, and I'll be using this spindle, one of these two spindles that I made a couple days ago. And yeah, see you tomorrow, and this is Fiber by Nature. Peace out.